In this video, we see how to use the image widget in Flutter to show images from the internet or from assets. In the pub.yaml file, set the assets path to access files from the assets folder so we can use its files in our Flutter code to access those images. A row widget arranges its children horizontally. Const image, asset image, assets logo.png, height 100, width 100 loads and displays an image from the assets folder with specified height and width. Const spacer adds space between the two images, pushing them to opposite ends of the row. Image.asset, assets logo.png, height 100, width 100. Another way to load the same image from assets using the image.asset constructor. A row widget arranges its children horizontally. Cliprect, border radius dot circular, 100, child, const image, network image, https://flutter.github.io/assets-for-assets/widgets/owl-to.jpg, height 100, width 100, clips the image with a circular border radius of 100 logical pixels, loading an image from a network URL. Const spacer adds space between the two images, pushing them to opposite ends of the row. Cliprect, border radius dot circular, 100, child, image.network, https://flutter.github.io/assets-for-api-docs/widgets/owl-to.jpg, height 100, width 100, fit boxfit.fill, clips another image with a circular border radius, loading the same network image using image.network constructor with boxfit.fill to fill the widget's dimensions.